Khash Saghafi, Liberty Home Mortgage. And the question is, should I get a home inspection? Yes. Video's done. No, I'm joking. I did this for a few minutes. I changed the times of these. So I used to do these things for like 15 minutes, and I come down to 5. I'm trying like 3. Try some different times, trying to figure out this YouTube stuff. Anyways, should I get a home inspection? Yes, you should. Okay, we highly recommend it. In highly competitive markets, unfortunately, sometimes to get your offer accepted, some people have had to waive their home inspection and say, I'm going to take a chance and not get one. It's a bit risky, but we highly recommend it. No home inspection is foolproof. Here's what a home inspection is. The home inspection is generally 2 to 3 hours long. It's a very detailed inspection, just like the word says, inspection. A home inspection is not the appraisal. A home inspection is not a home appraisal. I have videos on that, okay? A home inspector checks the outlets, the roof, the plumbing, the toilets, the showers, just everything. And you want to be standing there with the home inspector. They will tell you this. No home inspection is perfect. Just because the home inspector has 30 years of experience and they're incredible at what they do, home inspectors do an incredible job. They really do. It's super detailed. They'll tell you this. You got to understand this. No inspection is foolproof. That means it's not a guarantee. Just because they say the electrical panel box is good doesn't mean the day after closing the thing's not going to catch on fire, okay? But it's a very, very good set of eyes looking at everything very detailed for probably the most detailed look that you'll ever have on your house. The other thing I tell people that home inspections do is that it teaches you the mechanicals of the house. Like they'll show you how to do things like, hey, this is how you turn your hot water tank on. If the pilot light goes out, this is how you turn it on. This is how you turn it off. This is your electrical panel box. This is what you should pay attention to. These breakers here go to this area of the house over here. These are not labeled. They should be. Pay attention to your chimney. You're probably going to want to get this looked at. This is something that might last another 5 to 10 years. And then after that, you need this. This is where your furnace is. This is when the house was built. This is how they put this there. I mean, it's pretty impressive, man. Inspections are pretty awesome. Cost a few $100s. We highly recommend them. You don't have to get one. There's no mortgage in America. It's not a conventional loan, not a VA loan, not a USDA loan, not an FHA loan. None of those types of loans require a home inspection. So home inspections are not required to get a mortgage. They're recommended, not required, okay? You want to be there for the inspection. Don't get an inspection and just say, I'll read the report. I mean, you could do that, but I'm telling you, it's better if you're there. You want to be there when the inspector's there, when your agent is there at the house doing it. You want to pay attention to it. So, should you get a home inspection? Yes, we highly recommend it. Of course, when you're working with the right real estate agent and you're negotiating out the deal in highly competitive markets, sometimes you might have to forego it. I don't recommend that, but it does happen out there, okay? It's not the end of the world if you do not get a home inspection. Sometimes even the seller of the home already had an inspection done, and in some cases, you might even just be happy or fine with that home inspection. But we highly recommend it. Look into it more. Watch my videos. Subscribe to these things and check them out. I have a lot of information, a lot of videos on topics like this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Just make sure you subscribe, ask questions. If you need a loan, give me a call. I have an idea of what I'm doing. Talk to you later.